ordered 2 kits, and it wasn't from ICOOL, from another company. And the first kit, the nitrogen cap was off, but everything else was wrapped nicely. Here is the kit. Everything is just about out of it. This you could throw away. It's really not professional grade. Shouldn't use it. Nice that they give you a round tube. Tape. Not enough putty to do 2 holes. Maybe for a half a hole. Really small indeed. Not the right cable, 16 gauge, you really need 14. And the caps are on this one. The insulation from my other kit is definitely a true insulation. Cannot be picky. But there is the kit. It's decent. It will do its job. It's just not on that professional level where this was. Not to be from ICOOL, be from like MK in Roland, California. Have a great day, everybody.